You know, the thing is like, having great lighting outside. So if you guys kind of notice, it's a little brighter because, yeah, because it's daylight. Actually, usually I do my videos at night. So since I got this big window, I have more light coming in. All right, guys, Josh Techgamer back again with another tech video or unboxing video. So I was gonna do vlog style, but I don't want to sit here and hold the camera and try to unbox and stuff. So I did buy something, and actually I saw a couple of YouTubers do videos on this and stuff. And I was like, you know, I'm tired of buying can air. Another thing is like, it's not going to eliminate it 100% because maybe I'll still buy one once in a while. Just have it as a backup, as a portable one. So the one I did buy is the air duster, and this is going to actually eliminate buying a lot of air cans, because as you guys know, I'm always cleaning the desk, dusting out the PC and the keyboard and all that stuff, and I needed something to dust my stuff pretty much without using compressed air or batteries or anything. So yeah, so I eliminate these because these are about $7.99 a can, and you figure 4-pack $16, $17, $18. It just depends. And if you're buying those and you're using them, and I was actually buying about, I was probably at least spending about $50 a month easily on air cans. When I could buy this product, and when I bought it, it was actually $50 out the door. I did pay $5 for shipping and got it the next day. So I did get that on Amazon Prime. Now I was going to install the fan on the next video. I said I was going to do that, but I figured I'd do the unboxing first and then do the fan. So yeah. So when I did the 3-year PC setup, I ended up buying it that night. So yeah, I got it. It came in this nice little box by a YouTuber you watch a lot, named Bitwit. If you guys want to check out his channel, he has millions of subscribers. Well, he's over 1 million. He's great. I guess if you guys are into tech and stuff, and if you guys know what I'm talking about, Bitwit, yeah, he's a good YouTuber. He has good content, and he does a lot of funny skits and stuff. So yeah. So anyways, we're going to do a little unboxing. So I'm excited about this because I could just plug this in, blow stuff out, PC, whatever, and put it away. So yeah, so let's check this out. Josh Techgamer doing an unboxing video. I turned this light on right here so I actually could have a little more light because I actually want to unbox it, and I will show you guys and everything what it, you know, it looks like and stuff. So yeah, let me turn this down a little bit, just so it's not blurring my face. All right, so this is about $48, so about $50. So yeah, let's open it and check it out. I was gonna switch the camera over and do an overview, but I'm just gonna leave the camera the way it is. Yeah, there we go. You know, kind of get like a better close depth. So anyways, I was gonna get the actual screen for the monitor, not for the monitor, for my camera. It's basically a little display that's a lot bigger. I might get that pretty soon because I'm always looking at a little tiny screen. If you guys are camera people, and when you're doing videos, it's this little tiny screen and it's hard to see. So I'm gonna get something big, put it on top. The one I'm getting is actually RA Visuals. He has the same one, my friend Ricky. And he said it's a good screen, so I'm gonna pick it up. So, yeah, this is gonna. Ooh, I accidentally cut into the thing. So let's see. So it comes with attachments, tells you how to use it, instructions basically. We don't need that. So yeah, I got dust on my PC. So it does come with attachments, and that's really. It was upside down. Okay, so it comes with this little vacuum. That's pretty cool. Not vacuum, but duster. It comes with these little attachments and stuff, as you guys can see. Let's see what else it comes with. It comes with some brushes. So these would be take the wrapper out so you guys don't hear it. This will actually be pretty cool, so you could like brush stuff while you're blowing. Oh yeah. And by the way, this would be great for the keyboard, so I can go into the keyboard and just swipe it and brush it. Oh yeah. So very cool. It comes with like little brushes and stuff, and when you're blowing, you can like do it with PC stuff. So that's really neat. Now for the big part. Let's see. Oh wait, there's one more attachment, and it's right here. Probably for like, it's got a small tip to it, so it could probably get into small crevices and stuff. So here it is right here. It is pretty small and compact. It also has a nice long cable. That's what I was looking at. I don't want a short cable, and I'm like trying to struggle. So honestly, this looks really nice. Like I said, I did see a YouTuber use it, and I was like, that's pretty cool. I need to get one of these, because honestly, it's like, it's hard using air cans, and after a while, you get that cold mist, and you don't want to keep using it because you use more of the can, and if you get it on electrical stuff, you know, like your PC and stuff, you don't want that. So this is a really good, thick cable, as you guys can kind of tell in the camera. Like, look at that. It's like freaking solid. It's kind of like my, Razer keyboard. Let me stretch it out. So yeah, I literally had to stretch it out. It is kind of heavy. I'm not sure what this bottom part is, but this is actually what it looks like. And you got a little trigger. I'm assuming high, low. So you'll be able to plug it in. It just comes with a regular prong. Attach it and pretty much line up with the holes right here, and then lock it, and boom, you got yourself a blower. So this would be cool, like if you're actually taking it outside and you want to actually dust your PC and stuff. And I got the white. I think they do also have the black. So if you guys don't want white, I got white because I thought it looked cool. So we're gonna plug it in and see what happens. Now I plugged it into the outlet down below, the one I had, the big old outlet that I bought, and I actually did a video on that. I love that outlet because I have extra outlets. I am going to buy another one and have 2 of them and stuff. So yeah, here's the blower. It might be a little loud, so well, I'll just try it. Okay, so it's actually a trigger button. So, so I could actually let go, and it actually goes off. And then if you hold up, whoa. It is actually really powerful. To be honest with you, it's really powerful. So wow. I freaking love this thing. And the cool part is, I like about this, it's just constantly blowing air. It's not like compressed air with like liquid in it and stuff, so like it's the canned stuff. So this is really, really cool. This is probably the best thing I invested to clean my stuff. Now, I recommend not to do this when the PC's on. It is pretty powerful, so I won't do it when the PC's on. Maybe when the PC's off and unplugged, I'll actually use this. Don't push it too close to the PC, assuming, because it's pretty powerful. It's good for like the big dust to get out and stuff. So, and this is probably also good for like, you know, you can do like little bursts of air and stuff, but whew. That thing is freaking powerful, dude. I mean, it is powerful. This is great. This is really great. So if you guys want to check this out, if you guys want to check this item out, I'll be in the description below. I just want to do a little short unboxing on this. I thought it was cool, and honestly, I'm glad I got it. So all you tech YouTubers, you guys who are into cleaning and dusting, and especially Ricky, if you don't have this, check this out. Any YouTuber, tech YouTuber, or even if you're not a YouTuber and you're really into like cleaning your stuff and you want your stuff to look good, and you don't want to keep buying canned air. I might buy canned air, a couple just for a backup, like if portable, like if I want to go, because I also use canned air for around the house too, like dusting stuff. But definitely won't be buying as much as I used to. Probably not any for a long time. I do have one can of air left, as you've seen. It's almost empty. I might buy one just for like a little backup. So other than that, this is gonna save me a lot of money. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching Josh Techgamer. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And you know what? I appreciate all your support. And yeah, we did the 3-year anniversary on the PC. Now I will be replacing the fan. I want to do that and stuff. And you know what's really annoying is the timer. It says 13 minutes. It's right on my forehead right here. So that's why I need that screen. It'll go right above my camera. So, all right, guys, appreciate it. If you guys want to check out the product, like I said, it'll be down in the description below. Oh, real quick before I go, actually, I just noticed this. If you have this covered, air will not come out of it. So have this exposed. And thanks for watching Josh Techgamer, and I'll check you guys later. That's one way to cool yourself down.